If you want to set up an FTP account with Bluehost, in just a few minutes, this video will walk you through the full process step by step. FTP is useful when you need to upload files, manage your website folder, or connect a file transfer tool to your hosting account. Without digging through complicated settings, by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create the account and find the login details you need. Before we get started, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more quick website and hosting tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel, and it means you won't miss the next guide. Alright, let's jump into it. First, log into your Bluehost portal. Once you're inside your account, look at the left-hand menu and click Websites. This is where Bluehost keeps the hosting tools for each site connected to your account. After that, find the website you want to work with and click Manage Site. This opens the main dashboard for that specific website, so you're working on the right project. Next, at the top menu, click Files and Access. This section is where Bluehost stores your file management and access settings, including the FTP options. Once that page loads, look for the FTP section and click Manage. This will take you to the area where you can create and control FTP accounts. Now click Create FTP Account. This is the step that actually generates a new login for file access. In the username field, enter a name for the account. A simple name like Website FTP works well, but you can choose something that makes sense for your setup. After that, select your domain from the drop-down menu, so Bluehost knows which site this FTP account belongs to. Then create a strong password. Make sure it's something secure, because this account can access important website files. If you're saving this for later use, keep it in a password manager so you don't lose it. After that, choose the directory this FTP account should access. If you want access to the main website files, the correct folder is usually public_HTML or the main website folder for your domain. This part matters because it controls what the FTP user can and cannot reach. Once everything is filled in, click Create. Bluehost will generate the FTP account for you. After the account is created, look for the three dots next to the new FTP user and click View. This is where Bluehost shows the connection details you'll need for your FTP client. Here, make sure to note the host, username, password, and port. Bluehost typically uses port 21 for standard FTP, so that's the one you'll usually enter in your connection settings. The host is the server address, the username is the account you just created, and the password is the one you set during setup. These four details are what you'll use when connecting through an FTP program. And that's it. Your Bluehost FTP account is now set up and ready to use. From here, you can connect it to an FTP client, upload files, manage folders, and work with your website more efficiently. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.